Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect Xbox controller to Steam. So first step is to prepare your Xbox controller. Ensure your Xbox controller is charged or has batteries for older models. So if it's wired controller, you have a compatible USB cable ready. For step number 2 is to connect the Xbox controller. So for wired controllers, you have to plug the USB cable into your PC and then connect the other end to your Xbox controller. Windows should automatically recognize it. For wireless controllers, you have Bluetooth connection. So first is turn on the controller by pressing the Xbox button and then press and hold the pair button on the controller until the Xbox logo blinks rapidly. On your PC, go to Settings, tap on Device, and then go to Bluetooth and Other Devices. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and then go to Bluetooth and select your Xbox controller from the list. Xbox wireless adapter, this is optional, and then you just have to plug the adapter into your PC's USB port, and then press the pair button onto the adapter. Then the controller's pair button. For step number 3 is to enable Xbox controller in Steam. To do that, just open the Steam app and then log into your account. Click on the Steam at the top left corner of the settings and then go to Settings, and then under Controller, you just have to select General Controller Settings. Check the Xbox configuration support and any other relevant options, and then your controller should now appear in the list of connected devices. It looks something like this. Now for step number 4 is to test your controller in Steam. Still in the general controller settings, you have to select your controller to customize or calibrate. Test buttons, triggers, and sticks to ensure everything works. So this is the controller settings. And lastly is to play games with Xbox controller. First is to launch a game in Steam, and then Steam will automatically detect the controller if it supports gamepad input. You can configure game specifications, control in Steam Big Picture mode under Manage Game, and then just have to tap on Controller Configuration. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!